let's be real. How many times have you jumped into a trade based on a hot indicator only for it to lag and leave you holding the bag? Or felt completely overwhelmed by chart cluttered with dozens of conflicting signals? Most people learning how to trade for beginners struggle with information overload and indicators that promises the world but deliver nothing. That stops the day. I'm giving you the exact indicators, the perfect settings for maximum accuracy, and the precise rules to build a profitable trading system. You don't want to miss a single step. Alright, let's dive right in. So, first things first, open up TradingView. This TradingView strategy works on literally any market you want. Me, I'm looking at Bitcoin USDT on the 5-minute time frame. But seriously, you can use this as a Forex trading strategy for crypto, for stocks, any market, any time frame. Pretty cool, right? Now, once you're in, click on Indicators. Then type in Variety N-Tuple Moving Averages. It's gonna throw 3 lines on your chart, an upper line, a lower line, and a mid-average line. But the best part, it actually prints buy and sell signals directly onto your chart. How awesome is that? But you're not stopping there. We gotta tweak it, make it perfect. And these aren't just random adjustments. These are the exact settings you need for this TradingView strategy to perform at its absolute best. So here's what we do. Open up the settings for that indicator. Go into the Inputs tab. First, change the period to 21. Got it? Next, adjust the depth to 7. After that, this is super important. Set the moving average type to RMA. Seriously, don't skip this one. Then change the filter period to 9 and the MAD internal filter period also to 9. Now we're gonna clean up your chart, make it super easy to read. Head over to the Style tab. We only want to see the signal, so go ahead and turn off upper line, lower line, and the step NTMA options. Just click them off, and boom, your chart is now super clean, only showing you those crystal clear long and short buy-sell signals. So see that S there? That's your short or sell signal, like this one right here on the Bitcoin chart. And then the L, that's for long or buy signals, just like this beauty over here. Pretty straightforward, right? But hold on, hold your horses. We're not done yet, and this is super important. You can never rely on just one indicator, seriously. If you do, you're pretty much guaranteed to lose money. We don't want that. A single indicator doesn't create a complete beginner trading strategy. Instead, we use confirmations. Think of it like getting a second opinion, but for your trades. This way, we can jump into the market with way more accurate by confirming the trend direction. That's how we stack the odds in our favor. Alright, for our second free TradingView indicator, we're grabbing something called the SwingArm ATR Trend Indicator. This thing is super cool because it helps us figure out the trend direction and also find momentum in the market. It's like having a little compass for your trades. To add it, just head back to the indicator section, type in SwingArm ATR Trend Indicator and click on it. Boom, it's on your chart. Now you'll see it draw as a colorful ribbon. But before we use it, we gotta make a couple of quick adjustments. So go into the settings and the Inputs tab, change the ATR period to 10, then also change the ATR factor to 10. Make sure to get those numbers dialed in. After that, let's clean up the look. Head over to the Style tab. We're gonna disable Trailer Stop, Exclamum, LS and SS options. We only need the Fib options and the plot backgrounds for this TradingView strategy to work perfectly. Trust me, it'll make your chart look way cleaner. Okay, this is the core of our best trading strategy for beginners. First, let's talk about when we do not trade. All those S and L signals from our first indicator, they're actually invalid most of the time without confirmation. Why? Because for a truly valid signal, we need a pullback to confirm the trend direction. Let me show you. Take a look at this example. See how the SwingArm Trend Indicator is all green? That tells us the trend direction is bullish. This is the first step in knowing when to buy crypto or stocks. Then, watch closely. The price candles come back down and retest the SwingArm ATR ribbon. This is the pullback we're looking for. After that, we wait. We need the price to break back above the ribbon. And then, here's the kicker. An L signal, or long or buy signal, needs to pop up right after the breakout. If all those things line up, that's your valid buy signal. That's when you enter the trade. Now, for the stop loss, a key part of risk management trading, you can place it at the SwingArm ATR Trend Fib lines, or even better, at the recent swing low. That's gonna protect your capital. And for your target, aim for at least 1.5 times your risk. This is the fundamental to risk management trading. And for sell trades, it's the exact opposite. You'll see the SwingArm ATR Trend Indicator turns red for a bearish downtrend. We look for the price to pull back up and retest the ribbon. After that, we need the price to break back below the ribbon. And after that, an S signal needs to appear. Okay, so here's another pro tip. If you see one of those L or S signals pop up before the price pull back to the SwingArm ATR trend, those signals, they're totally invalid. Ignore them. Same deal if a signal appears inside the ribbon. We need that clean breakout. Understanding this is a key to learning how to trade for beginners. But listen up, seriously. This is probably the most important thing I can tell you. The best trading strategy in the world is useless without this one thing: risk management trading. Seriously, it's the most crucial part. In fact, my entire approach to risk management trading is what separates profitable trades from losing ones. If you found this TradingView strategy helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you got value, and subscribe for more strategies like this one. Now, if you want to dive deeper and learn the absolute best risk management strategy ever, you gotta check out this video right here on the screen.